Hey guys, welcome back to Bees, Beds, and Boxing. Stone Cold here. So, we got our, so it's been going back and forth from sleet, freezing rain, to hail, to snow, now back to sleet. So we got about maybe 3 inches of snow so far, and now it's back to hail or sleet, freezing rain type stuff, so more ice. So we'll see what we end up with at the end, but yeah, pretty major St. Louis winter storm. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And this is Stone Cold. I'm staying in the warm house, thank God for it, and just chill on back on this Sunday. Praise God for heat and a place to live. Like, share, and subscribe.